Hello everyone, today I will be making roasted tomato and garlic soup. If you're new to our channel and you would like to see more recipes, please subscribe and hit the bell for new video notifications. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is preheating, cut your Roma tomatoes in half and cut off the tops of your garlic bulbs. Place your tomato halves and garlic on a small cooking sheet and drizzle with olive oil and vinegar and about a quarter of your herbs. I also added some fresh basil as we have a basil tree and always have some on hand. Then place them in the oven for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. In a separate pot, add olive oil, celery, onions, and carrots. I've used julienne carrots in this recipe as I'm finding them hard to cut. And the smaller they are for this recipe, the better anyway. Continue to saute until your vegetables are soft. Now remove your roasted garlic and tomatoes from the oven, allowing the garlic to cool before handling. Then you can easily squeeze out the garlic cloves and mash them with a fork or a knife to add to the soup. Okay, now add mashed garlic, roasted tomatoes to your softened sauteed vegetables. Then add the broth, the rest of your herbs, and the tomato paste. Then stir and let cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After approximately 20 minutes, or when you see that your soup is starting to bubble up, use a hand mixer, or if you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a food processor to thicken your soup until you have this consistency. This is by far the best tomato soup I've had. Here I garnished one with tortilla strips and the other with Parmesan and fresh basil. If you'd like to see how we made this yummy bread that we served with it, please click the link above. If you have another recipe you'd like to see us showcase, please leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to friend me on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.